Hello YouTube friends and welcome. In this video I'd like to show you another watch. So this is a Parnis 43. On the most sides you will find it like a Tudor Black Bay homage. So naturally the case style and also the hand and the indices are very similar to the Tudor Black Bay watch. So that is from where the cues are. So firstly we have to talk about the brand. Parnis is a Chinese manufacturer of homage watches. So they have different styles of series that are similar in design to Rolex, Omega, and also Breitling. And if you like those high-end pieces, high-end designs, but don't have or don't want to spend the amount of money that they cost, you can go with a homage watch. So just to clarify, as always, this is not a fake, because Parnis is not using any logos of the original design manufacturer, that is Tudor. So therefore they are not considered as fakes. Usually they put out two versions, one with prints, one without, and I will link you to the site they ship worldwide. You can check out the brand. Maybe probably you did heard about the brand, saw them on eBay probably or on other sites, and want to check it out. So I would like to give you my honest opinion about the watch. So let's start about the inside. Inside this watch is a MIYOTA 8-to-1 automatic movement. So it is a very sturdy, very good movement. Loses about 1 minute per day. So if you want a more or less time loss, you should go with a more high-end movement or go quartz. Okay, so just keep that in mind, that it will lose time. And of course this particular version, and probably also other Parnis designs, this is a water-resistant watch to 10 ATM. So you can go to the shower, probably also swim with it. It will have no problems, but just keep in mind that it can after time lose some resistance. So okay, let's see about the measurements. Okay, so this is a 43. They advertise as 43 millimeters. So it is 42.95 millimeters, or if you want to see it in inches, let me. So 1.69, and with the crown, let's see, with the crown is 1.8 or 46.8 53. So this is a larger watch. And it is 14 millimeters thick, or 0.552 inches. Lug to lug. It's 1.9, 1.9, or 50 millimeters. This version, that is with a black dial and vintage markers and hands, comes only on a leather strap. I didn't saw a stainless steel bracelet on the offerings, so don't know why, but probably you can put some aftermarket. And it uses 20 millimeters bracelets. Yes. Okay. It has a nice leather strap. It is tapered, as you can see. Tapers from 20. I should say it's from 21. I don't know how it's possible. 21. Okay. Looks like 21, not 20, but I got inside the measurements 20 and he's 21. Okay, but to 16.6 millimeters, so it is very tapers down to very small. It has this proprietary deployment buckle system with a engraved Parnis logo here. So this will accommodate up to 8.2 inches wrist on the last hole there. Nicely polished. This is always good to see. And yeah, so the case is 316L stainless steel, polished. Has no exhibition case back. I tested out the Lume. The Lume is really terrible. So you can charge it, but it will lose very fast the Lume. On the hands you have a little bit better Lume than on the NDCs, but yeah. Also we have a date complication on the 3-hour position. No magnification. Yeah, what more to say about the watch? Yeah, the pricing. The site is listing this for $215 US. So you can also find better deals on resellers, on eBay. I got this from eBay for around little bit more than $130. So if you search them, you can find also better pricing. So as I always say, do your homework and you can save up money. But if you don't want to hassle with eBay or other private sellers, then just go to the site. I will link you in the description and feel free to check it out. The case back says only stainless steel, water resistance, no logo, just Parnis, serial number, automatic. Yeah. So that is about the watch. And yes, it is on the large size. If you have a large hand, this will fit you very well. Yeah, so this was a little demo about the Tudor 43mm or the Tudor Black Bay homage. And some people have pointed out also that it's similar a little bit to the Breitling Super Ocean 44. Okay, so thanks for watching. As always, if you have any comments, questions, please let me know. I will answer it as soon as I can. Have a nice day.